we would like to talk about your interior life. This is something that you must repair in some of the cases and help others to repair, because you have settled belief systems within yourself that are damaging to the path you are going to take. So what you must do now is look into yourselves and see what needs to be thrown out. As the planet rises, so you must let go of the things that no longer serve you. This will help you to move smoothly as the planet ascends, dimensions change, the energies align. Because your synchronicities, synergies, all these different things are going to play part in what is coming next. You may be worried about the word spirituality, but this is the building block of what has come before, is happening now, and will come forward. Your beliefs will create your future. Your energy will create your future. So as has been said from the higher realms, that you must start to see what serves the planet's higher vibrations within yourselves, as well as what you see without, because that is a reflection of your inner self. All the beings on this planet see the world through their own worldview. And now they must change it so that they see it through humanity's worldview. So as you walk into the next phase, make sure that your spirituality is strong, your energy of peace is strong, so that you can help others to let go of what no longer serves them as well. We'll leave it there.